Not yet, bro. I just want a bunch of pictures.
Videos give us details. That is where it's broke. Right in there. We have the same one though.
Tell them what it fits, what all it fits.
1991. Okay, I'm just gonna stop dropping these. 1991 Bentley Turbo R.
And those bushings come out of the gear shift actuator. But it also, come to find out, is the same bushing that we bought for the window regulator repair. So instead of fixing our windows, we're gonna fix our shifter. Cause ain't no sense in your windows going down and you ain't moving. We'd rather be moving with a stuck window. Okay, give me a picture of those two. Well, just give me the video.
Alright, so right.
See what went where. Okay.
Okay. Let me just, get another whiff. So yellow one goes right there where my dad's hand is. My faja. We're basically nerds. Now think about it. When it comes to cars. So I can't put some tubes. Woo. Jesus, how many did we take off?
We took off 4.
Looks a lot more than
Or
4.
3. We're on our 4th now.
Oh, so it's 2 per one?
2 per side.
No, I'm talking about the rings.
No, those are lock washers. And there's one on each one. I'm going to pull the nut and then you'll see the lock washer. That's what I've been working with.
Oh, the lock washers look like the nut. Okay, my bad.
No, look. Here's the nut. Watch this. Getting ready to take the nut.
No, I know that. They just look the same from a distance.
That's the lock washer.
Get off. I bet whoever watching it is like, what are they doing? I put it in the description. Descripts.
Oh, I think we got to disconnect the electrical. And I don't
God, no.
do that. Hold on, maybe not. Look at that shit back there. God damn.
What?
What the fuck? Okay, hold on. 2 wires come off. Okay, take a picture of this. Blue and the red. Those have to come out. Okay.
Blue. Okay, I see the blue, and then that's pink. So.
Yeah. All right, let's get out. Find that socket.
Sockets. Can we get 100 views? Sound like a real YouTuber now.
Hold on, we gotta. Shit. Okay, we're pulling off just the blue one here.
Alright, we pulled off only the blue, not the pink.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Now we're putting it back on to keep the rest of the wires.
We're doing what?
I put the nut back on so I can keep the rest of my wires there. Okay. I only wanted that blue
so there's more connected.
Yes.
I am saying this repetitively because I do not know. Well, I've never seen this before. That, and to help all fellow other people with 1991 Turbo R's. And they got stuck. Just like us.
And our problem was our shifter would not move. We were stuck in drive. When it restart, wouldn't do anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we're mechanics, so that's an anomaly.
Get back up. These are all of our contacts. That tells you what gear you in. We got to clean that up. The problem is the rubber bushing here and here has failed. So this is not being controlled. See how this spins? This is not being controlled by our motor. We are disconnected.
Oh.
That's the problem with our 1991 Bentley Turbo R.
Could you read?
Man, cut that shit off, man. My nose running. Because you sent me a text message. My bad, my bad. I've been working on my car. Okay.
Let me tell you what it was doing.
So we're taking a nut right now.
My cousin drove me to work. She said that it got hot, and then the oil light came on, and it just cut off. I didn't believe her because, you know, I've been driving it back and forth for 6 months, and it hadn't done anything. And so I got the pipes done. I got a new thermostat. I got an oil change all before I came back to Atlanta. And then the other day I was driving, and I was up the street like by that Shells or Old National by Rick Ross house, and it just went dead.
Okay.
And it was smoking like it. First it started sounding like it wasn't no oil in it at all. But I know we just put an oil change on. Okay? So it was just real loud. The house was really like I slung something or stuff. And then it just went dead. And so I opened it, started smoking. It smelled like oil. That's either oil leak somewhere or something is cracked or something. I don't know, but I know it was kind of brand new oil change. And so on the pipes, I guess it had ran hot one time because the pipes had never been changed. So we changed all the pipes and ordered that upper radiator hose. We had to order another one of them and then put a new thermostat in it. So we changed that, and everything was good. I drove it back to Atlanta. I didn't have a problem or anything. Now, the other day, it did the same thing that it did on my cousin. And then when I brought it home, I can hear something like a steam, like from something that's loose a little bit.
Okay, where's the car located, boss?
Or if there's a pipe that's not connected.
Boss, where's the car located?
I'm on Smoke Ridge Drive. You know where Tony stayed at?
I just know Smoke Ridge a little bit. I tell you what, I'm working on something right now. I'm up under a car. Can you give me about an hour and then call me back? And then,
Yeah.
okay.
I wanted to,
Okay, boss, I'm up under a car. Boss, I'm up under a car. Let me finish what I got. Okay? Okay. All right, thank you.
So we're taking the motor off of the...
So that we can replace that rubber coupler that went bad. All right? Last screw comes off of our motor.
Wait, let me just get it.
Our motor comes out. Okay?
All right.
This is our coupler. Where's our bad one? Do we have it?
Yes. Right here.
Okay.
Let me just take a, just...
That's
this
what
is ours.
This is ours. It broke apart. This is our new one that we're installing.
Which we had another pack of because we have
a window regulator problem, and this is a window regulator coupler, but it happens to fit in the same place as the shifter.
I don't think those cost too much, do they?
No, they didn't.
I can't say exactly how much because I don't know. But as long as you don't take too many wires off, you'll be good. That's all I can
And
say.
see, now the motor is rotating with this.
You know what? We should do this every time we're under a car. Just take a video of the problem.
Well, especially the Bentley, because nobody has this.
That is true. It's very
And nobody tells you how simple the rebuild is. Everybody that I was talking to, you need the gearbox. You need the gearbox. Gearbox is bad. It needs a $6 coupler. And somebody who gives a damn.
You know YouTube don't like when we cuss. We gotta stay PG friendly in some form or fashion. But
We're installing our 3 bolts that connect the motor to the gear actuator housing. Again, 1991 Bentley Turbo R. About 130,000 miles. A real beast.
yeah.
How about show him the car? Let him get a little peek at that.
So this is our 91. You know, we live in Georgia. You know, can't be too specific. But it has super wide I mean, we have an Impala right here, you know, as you can clearly see, that is under commission, that has lower tread. And we are, you know, doing some things to it, you know.
We just took the shifter actuator out. That's why we have our car.
We took the shifter actuator out, and this is a 6.75 liter engine, which is a V8. I have no idea who makes that. No. Bentley. Well, do they get the engine from somewhere else, though?
What?
Do they make their own engines?
Of course they did, back when they were Bentley. Now they just get them from the local pull-apart.
Wow. Could you say that one more time, please?
They used to make their own engines back when Bentley was Bentley Rolls Royce. Now we think they get them from the pull-apart.
Yeah, they just modify them a little bit.
Yeah, they find a little Volkswagen. Easy to find. Plenty of them there. They stack them 5 feet high.
So are you saying Volkswagen is garbage? Yes. Yes, we are. So is Impala. Do not get an Impala. You have treasure.
Anything after 96. You get a 96, you got a good Impala. 94, you got a good Impala. You get a 98, you got a boat anchor.
Wait, are Grand Prix good? No, just thought about it.
No.
I mean, they're fast, but
Grand Prix are the same as an Impala with a different exhaust. It's not faster, it's louder.
it's what black people want.
Don't say that. White people like stuff too.
I'm not down that.
They equally
Wait.
screw.
You said they're what?
They're equally screw when it comes to an Impala. Impala doesn't discriminate.
They just like money.
Okay, we've tightened up.
Alright, then we just,
We tightened up all of our bolts that go connect our motor to our assembly.
Sorry. This is what we had to replace, which
The coupler.
Yes, the coupler, which was less than a $7 pack, and it comes, what? As far as we know, 3. We used one of them. Now we're looking in the magic 2 box. Jesus. This is. This is what I was saying.
Stop.
Sorry.
Looking for electrical contact grease.
We have lots and lots and lots of these little pieces. Just lots.
Okay, we'll surround this ring.
You said what?
Contact grease. Electrical contact grease.
Okay.
So that the connection will be waterproof and should be a little bit better.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we gotta clean these things off.
Contacts.
Contacts. No, that's just. Yeah. They were putting contact grease on contacts, not the ones you have in your eyes.
The ones that are in your Bentley.
Yes. So we're just gonna wipe them away very, very gently. You know, some have mystery things that we do not want to know.
These are contacts. These tell the car where this wheel is, which lets the car know what gear it's in.
Oh yeah, and we have micro switches. Let me just move these out the way.
Okay. Let's get that out of the way so it's not gonna rub.
Rub. So
Drop
these.
it back down on our studs.
That right.
Hold on, stop. Okay.
Oh, one's roller messed up.
What?
One of the rollers, they're messed up.
What do you mean it's messed up?
Look at it. Unless seeing things. Yeah, there we go. That should be good. Alright. Looks better. Do you believe this will solve our problems?
Well, we know it will.
Oh yeah, that is true.
We don't have to believe we saw the bad part. We addressed the issue. We're ready to go. We need to put these back on. I need to know where that went, remember?
Oh, yeah. So we're gonna have to pause the video in just a moment so we can find where those went. You already know what those went because you're watching the video.
But we don't. Hey, we just dropped something. Stop. We do not like that.
We dropped one of the nuts. Or washers, my bad. No, nut.
That was a nut. It looks as though nope, I see it. Thought I was missing a piece. Don't do me like that, Lithonia.
That is not where we live. Just, you know.
Shout out to people who live in Lithonia. We didn't want to make no joke about it, but it was fun.
Yeah, we're the odd here.
Hey, light, get back.
Thou shalt have light. There shall not be no more darkness.
Installing all sides finger tight so that we can see if we have any issues. Then we're going to connect our blue and red wire. We can pretty much close our case. Problem solved.
Yes. So we're going to have to stop the video momentarily. Oh, I just realized. We didn't show where we got it out of. Well, I mean, when we install, I'll just show it. That's alright. Starting to feel like Jacksepticeye. Hashtag Jacksepticeye. You know, that'd be good if you could, you know, just give me some back, you know. Just, you know, tell me.
Shout out to my homeboy D Murray. D Murray's towing. He's the one that picked us up. He always picks us up. Happens far too often, but shout out to D Murray's towing. That's my homeboy.
We will
Much
leave
love.
the number in the description.
444-456-9171.
Or not. We just could do that. Blue eye right there. Yeah.
Alright, this is a lot of work to go through to say, hey, we're guessing here, buddy. It's a lot of work.
We're not guessing. I'm pretty good with directions, so I think I'm pretty good, you know, with the notes and bolts.
This isn't directions, this is memory.
Nah, my bad. Sorry. So, I have pretty good memory when we're somewhere we're lost. So I think this kind of
Send us any questions you have on your Bentley, Turbo R, or Rolls Royce. I have no idea what the Rolls Royce equivalent is because Rolls Royce doesn't matter to people that own Bentleys. But
even though they're a higher class car, but we're just not gonna talk about that.
we have no respect for them.
Yeah.
They're slugs.
Hashtag Rolls Royce.
Get your turbo.
I meant hashtag Bentley.
Yeah, well,
Bentley Turbo R91. Oh. Do you want to say how much you paid for this?
no, it's none of that business. Now that I think about it, probably it wasn't none of yours. Because you can't hold water.
That's not true. I was just asking a question.
I let him drive my homeboy's car the other day, taught him how to drive stick. And when my homeboy pulled up, guess what he said? Hey, I learned how to drive stick in your car. Man, my homeboy.
That's not what I said. He asked me, did I learn anything new today? And I said, yes, I know how to drive.
I know how to dog out your car.
No, I said, I know how to drive a stick.
And he happens to have the only stick in the yard.
That is not being repaired. So I'm assuming that he gave him a look like, hey, you did this. And I'm assuming my dad said, yeah. So we're just gonna leave it alone. But I can hold water. I don't have any holes in my bellies, I swear. watch this is gonna be like, what are y'all talking about?
We're just going finger tight on the case.
Do not take that out of context, please.
And as soon as we tighten it up, let's pause the video. We're going to plug it up. We're going to show them how the actuator works.
We're going to show them how to install it also, or no?
Yeah, we might.
Stay tuned.
Some things are just ancient Chinese secret.
Just like my handwriting. Yeah.
Alright, we tightened it hand. Finger tight. We're going to do a crisscross pattern. Make sure that we get even torque on it.
Like a wheel?
Yeah, like a wheel.
And for those who have not changed the tire, I don't know what to say to you.
Always tighten the tire in a crisscross pattern. Diagonal, one across from the other, like I'm doing here. That's how you tighten your tire on a car. That's how you distribute torque evenly on whatever you're working on.
That's only when you're putting it back on. It doesn't matter when you take it off.
No, take it off any way you can.
Or one.
We're just checking them here, making sure I didn't leave one undone. And we'll go through with our pattern again. Make sure she's snugged down. And she'll be ready for installation. Boom.
This video is like in 3 parts. I just realized that.
Boom. Alright, pause.
This happens to be the part number of the gear actuator that we're working on. It says UD71, I believe that's 1, 956.